Hey beautiful, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about all the different events that's going on that is now opening back up for us. So please stay tuned and watch it, and at the very end I'm going to have a great suggestion I think you're going to love. Stay tuned. Okay, beautiful. So one of the events that's going on are weddings. Do you guys believe we are finally going to be able to go to a wedding, dance at a wedding, have a couple of cocktails at a wedding, and not worry so much? There's been so much on our minds. So one of the things I designed is going to a wedding, like doing something black that's very simple, doing something that doesn't need a lot of alterations. This has like a stretch fabric. I designed it like in 12 different colors, so it has everything, obviously black being the most slendering, but it is something that's off the shoulder that makes you feel, I don't know, like say Marilyn Monroe or something like that. It's sexy, it's fun. I don't like a lot of jewelry. I kind of like the neck to be empty. But what's cool, guys, and I know all my queens know this, is that you put a lotion on that has a little sparkle on it. It's kind of like wearing jewelry. So what you do is that you have a lotion that you can buy at, say, a department store that has, I think it's like 5 or 6% what they call glitter in it. So it's not a lot. It's just enough to give you that little lotion and potion fancy look without all the fancy jewelry. But one of the things I like is mother of the bride, mother of the groom. That I do sometimes like a little jewelry just to let everybody know that you are the second or third most important person at the wedding. And I do like sometimes a little sleeve, and I do like a little fold, a little bend. Some people call it pleats. I kind of like something that makes us look and feel comfortable, but at the same time you want to be sexy. That's the whole thing. Is if I'm standing next to you, I want you to be the sexy one. Now, a man, tuxedos are always the safe way to go. I don't believe in renting, and I love my friends that do that, but I believe in buying one good tuxedo and let it, I don't know, let it last you throughout the seasons. Don't forget, in a lot of these tuxedos, I know because I used to make them, we leave like 2 to 3 inches a let out. Most important thing is if you buy a tuxedo, you're going to get a single-breasted, 2-button, and you're going to make sure you show just a little white cuff. We have already covered that. No pleats, no extension, no cuff on the bottom. We're classier than that. So this little part that we're talking about right now is going to a wedding. If you're wearing something simple, this dress I made it A-line, so it goes right to your ankles. And what that means that you don't need a hem. That's sometimes one of the most expensive things you can do. Mother the bride, you want more beaded on the top, flowing on the bottom. And we are going to celebrate, guys. It's been over a year since we can really go to a wedding and just like dance it up. So it's our time to have some fun. I just did that, yes, without any music. So, as a family, as a friend, I just want to go to somebody's wedding and celebrate life going on. I'm looking forward to it. So in our next little part that we're going to be talking about, we're going to be talking about one of the most important things coming into a 17-year-old's life is prom. And in a lot of cities and a lot of states, it is happening. It is going on. They might be outside, but you are having your event. So we're going to talk about that in a moment. So I love you guys. If you're going to a wedding, please have a cocktail on me. Remember to drive safe. Get a ride there, get a ride back, so you're not drinking and driving, obviously. And God is wonderful, and He made all of this happen. Weddings are going on. Yay! Okay, guys. If you're 16, 17, and 18, you know what I'm going to talk about. Prom. It is awesome. It's my specialty. It's what I'm noted for. I love doing this Cinderella look to make you feel like a princess, in my case, a queen. I love color. I love layers. I love what it takes to make your day feel like like the most important day you have had so far. COVID has stopped a lot of stuff for us and it's delayed us. Last year it canceled everything. So let's make up. Let's have a fabulous prom. Let's go out and dance and celebrate. Let's realize that life only happens once. Now, a lot of times you save this look for your wedding and then you do a beach wedding. No, 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 no. Let's celebrate. Let's do it now. Let's do the whole Cinderella. Let's do the layer look. You can do mermaid. You can do chiffon. You can do it all. But let's not wait until your wedding day. A lot of people say, well, I don't want to do it all now. I want to save some. No, don't save anything. We all realize what happened last year, that life is way too short, that today is the day to celebrate. Today is the day to look and feel like a princess. So I believe that if you don't celebrate, then you just have regrets. So prom, get ready. Guys, go crazy this year, my friend. Do the tuxedo, but do the plaid shirt, do the plaid cummerbund, do the plaid. Let's put some color into it. Don't forget to stick in some red shoes. You do whatever it takes to make you feel special. Remember, guys, fashion starts from within. Love starts from you knowing that you are fantastic and that life is short and it's all about a celebration. So, prom, celebration, quince, sweet 15, 16, I don't know. Guys, I love you. It's a lot to look forward to. Okay, guys, the last thing is weddings. It's what the excitement is all about. What you've been waiting for. For everybody that had to postpone it in March, April, May, June, July, August, I'm so sorry. And then you redid it for September, October, November, and canceled it again. And now it's happening. I'm a New Yorker, so for New York, you're allowed 200-something people, you're allowed this, allowed that. It's happening. So your dream is coming true. You are going to turn around and have the day that you've been waiting for. The day that we all dance and celebrate. When I married my husband, it was the most exciting day of my life. It's one of those few times when I didn't go to the bathroom and make sure I looked perfect throughout the night because I didn't care. It was a perfect night. And everything was going great, and I didn't need to look in the mirror and see any imperfection because I knew that this night was never going to happen again. It was a one-night gig. For the rest of my life, I remember that night, and I love it. And if you ever want to watch my video on it, just look under Jimmylee, Ashley's Fabulous Wedding. You would love it. Because it's about celebration. I was a Christian at the time. I married somebody Jewish. He was Canadian. I was American. I was tall, drink of water. He was a short, muscular man, opposite in every aspect. But together, I'm one. The celebration of life, of unity, of being one. And that's what weddings are happening right now. That's what's going on. And that's what nothing's going to stop it. So if you love to do something fitted and a little bit of a trumpet, they call it, not mermaid, I love it. If you're going and you need a flower girl dress and something like that, don't forget, the flower girl dress should never be lighter than the wedding dress. So if your dress is ivory or champagne, the dress has to be that or darker. So, and one of the favorite things I do now is I do short, little, fun, gorgeous, vintage wedding dresses. No hems necessary. So life is about the celebration of you becoming one with somebody else. It doesn't make a difference of your color, your religion. It doesn't make a difference of your age. I can just tell you one thing, my friend. When it happens big. So let's celebrate. So the last thing we're going to talk about is weddings. So it's going to be ivory. Champagne is my favorite. I don't like pure white. I like off-white. I don't think anybody looks good in pure anything. I don't know if any of us is pure. So I like a little color in the dress. And don't be afraid to do a black wedding dress or a green or yellow or hot pink. You do what it takes to make you guys feel special. So it's wedding. Let's go and celebrate. So the last thing I want to say is that there is no stopping us. So if you cannot have everything at your wedding, because you can never have it all, take as much as you can. Do as much as you can. It's a one-day event, baby, and let's celebrate. I look forward to talking to you guys at the very end to give you my little comment of the day. My tip of the day is I use every day in the morning and during an event, a wedding, a prom, mother bride, mother groom, quince, sweet 15, if you're a queen going on the Sunday night stage, after you have your lipstick on, before you have your lipstick on, or if you have no lipstick on, I use a vitamin E ointment on my lips. And what that does is that makes me be able to have a conversation without the dry lips, without you going, no. This keeps it going for the day. So I do it when I go to sleep every night, and I do it when I wake up, and I always have it in my pocket. In every video you have seen, it's been in my pocket. And all it does, or what it does, it stops your lips from getting dry, so you're able to enjoy the night and not worry about a chapped lip or a dry lip, or not being, or just having your lips not look its best. So, guys, use a little vitamin E. You're gonna love it. I love you. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit the bell button. Remember to send it. You know what to do. We are a team. We're on the friggin' train. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy the ride. See ya.